This is DOOGEE T20, and today I will demonstrate that you can clear app cache and data on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then enter the apps category, then open the full list of apps or all apps list, find the app that you would like to clear the data for, open its app info page, go for the storage and cache section. Then, if you would like to clear cache only, you will need to tap at the clear cache option. Well, for this particular app, unfortunately, the cache button is unavailable due to it having no cache. So let me pick another one and see if it will have this option available. No. Well, what should I go for? Well, perhaps the calendar should work then. Yep, so at the storage page, click at the clear cache option if you would like to clear the app cache only, or if you would like to erase or remove all app/user data that this app stores. You gotta go for the clear storage option, hit OK, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.